Hi viewers! Are you ready to be amazed by the next major product release by OpenAI called OpenAI o1? It is a generative AI model codenamed Strawberry. o1 is a family of models. The new AI model is unique because it thinks before responding. OpenAI explains that the model can perform complex tasks and handle harder problems than earlier models in coding, science, and math. OpenAI o1 is the first of this series in ChatGPT and it aims to update and improve it regularly. However, it requires a lot of effort and commitment. The newly released OpenAI processes the information like humans do. OpenAI has trained these models to take time to analyze problems, figure out the solutions, and respond accordingly. These models are trained to refine their thinking process, adopt strategies, and detect mistakes. You may be surprised to know that OpenAI o1 is put to different tests just like PhD students who take tests in chemistry, physics, and biology. The results may shock you because these AI tools are found to excel in coding and math. For example, in an exam for the International Mathematics Olympiad, GPT-4 solved only 13% of correct answers, whereas the new AI reasoning model scored 83%. Likewise, the coding ability of these AI models was examined in the Codeforces competition and secured 89%. Like GPT-4, the new model may have not common features like browsing the web for information and uploading images and files. However, OpenAI o1 is here to handle complex reasoning tasks and reach a new level of AI capability. Safety is another unique feature of OpenAI o1. This new model comes up with a new safety training approach that uses their reasoning powers to ensure safety and follow instructions in a better way. Following safety rules in context and applying them effectively makes the new version unique in its own right. The new AI o1 model was tested against GPT-4 and how well both tools follow safety rules. For example, the hardest jailbreaking test is conducted in which a user tries to bypass the safety rules. On a scale of 0-100, GPT-4 scored 22 whereas o1 scored 84, which is amazing. The new capabilities of these new AI models have boosted safety work, government collaboration, and internal governance. Moreover, it allows rigorous testing, best-in-class red teaming, evaluations using the preparedness framework, comprehensive review processes, and the Safety and Security Committee. These new advanced features in AI o1 have allowed OpenAI to sign agreements with the US and UK AI safety institutes. This has enabled OpenAI to reach agreements and give the institutes access to the new model. This was a huge step towards establishing a process of research and testing of future models. Since the new OpenAI o1 is useful for tackling complex problems in coding, science, math, and related fields, it can be used by physicists to solve complicated equations, healthcare specialists to analyze cell sequencing data, and web developers to conduct multi-level tasks. However, OpenAI o1 has some downsides. For example, unlike GPT-4, o1 can't browse the web or analyze files. Although the new model can analyze images, it has been disabled for additional testing. Moreover, o1 has a weekly limit of 30 messages. It is also very expensive. The buyer has to spend $15 per 1 million input tokens and $60 per 1 million output tokens. Tokens are bits of raw data and 1 million is equivalent to around 750,000 words. OpenAI is also planning to launch o1 Mini, which is now available for ChatGPT users according to some reports. OpenAI o1 is actually a thinking machine. It can avoid some of the reasoning pitfalls and fact-check all parts of a question. That is why OpenAI claims that o1 is different from other generative AI models due to its ability to think before responding to questions. This AI model can prove to be equally handy for scientists, lawyers, businessmen, and many more professions. The reason is that it can plan ahead and analyze the queries before it arrives at an answer. It can process many subtasks and show results. For example, o1 can help an attorney to detect emails in his inbox or help a business brainstorm a marketing strategy. As Noam Brown, a research scientist at OpenAI, states, o1 is trained with reinforcement learning. This teaches the system to think before responding via a private chain of thought through rewards when o1 gets answers right and penalties when it does not. Brown further says, OpenAI leveraged a new optimization algorithm and training dataset containing reasoning data and scientific literature specifically tailored for reasoning tasks. The longer o1 thinks, the better it does. Let me share with you a testimony of a user who had access to the new 01 model, named Pablo Arredondo, VP at Thomson Reuters Stats. o1 is better than OpenAI's previous models like GPT-4 at things like analyzing legal briefs and identifying solutions to problems in LSAT logic games. Arredondo further elaborates on the capability of the new version of AI 01 in these words. We saw it tackling more substantive, multifaceted analysis, and our automated testing also showed gains against a wide range of simple tasks. You may be surprised to know that the new AI model is not less than any good math student because it has correctly solved 83% of problems in a qualifying exam in a high school math competition for the International Mathematical Olympiad, while GPT-4 only solved 13%. O1 generally performs better handling problems in science, data analysis, and coding. We see that GitHub is also satisfied with O1 performance and reports after using GitHub Copilot, an AI coding assistant that 01 successfully optimizes algorithms and app code. All the above reports prove one thing for sure: O1 is the improved model than GPT-4, for it improves its multilingual skills like Korean and Arabic. O1 is also good at solving puzzles. A professor of management at Wharton used O1 for a month on his blog and gave his opinion. On a challenging crossword puzzle, O1 did well, getting all the answers correct. However, OpenO1 is not perfect, it has some drawbacks. In some cases, O1 can be slow as it depends on the complexity of the question. Aaron Dondo testifies. O1 can take over 10 seconds to answer some questions. It shows its progress by displaying a label for the current subtask it's performing. Moreover, Brown admits the unpredictable nature of AI models and says that O1 trips up on games of tic-tac-toe from time to time. OpenAI also admits that O1 tends to hallucinate and make stuff up compared to GPT-4 doesn't admit when it struggles to answer. Malik stats. Errors and hallucinations still happen with O1. It still isn't flawless. We know that OpenAI is not the only seller in the market, which is investigating AI reasoning capability. For example, Google DeepMind researchers declared that if AI reasoning models are given more computing time and guidance to perform the task, the models can their performance. This shows that competition is fierce. OpenAI would love to capture the market by launching their O1 model. However, the real test will be making O1 available for larger consumers at a reasonable price. OpenAI might be first out of the gate with O1. But assuming rivals soon follow suit with similar models, the company's real test will be making O1 widely available and for cheaper. Let's see how OpenAI fulfills the expectations of the customers with the upgraded version of O1. According to the company, they are ready to take time for days or weeks to boost the reasoning capabilities of their versions. Despite the limitations and flaws, O1 isn't just another ordinary version, it's a landmark step in AI reasoning method which redefines the integral role of machine learning in our lives. Both models of O1, including O1 Preview and O1, are not ordinary language models. They are designed to handle multifaceted problems. O1 Preview is like a genius of AI models. It is created to solve intricate problems just like a human expert has a nuanced understanding of the issue compared to ordinary people. O1 Mini, another sibling of O1 Preview, is not less than any other AI extraordinary model. It deals with math and coding and can prove to be an amazing AI assistant for developers who want to deliver complex projects quickly. When we say O1 is a game changer, it means now you have a calculator in your hands. Unlike a mathematician, it gives fast results, breaks down problems, applies different approaches, and comes up with comprehensive solutions. Another amazing feature of O1 is that not only does it create advanced solutions, but it gets better with each attempt and improves its reasoning method over time. Let's talk about some numbers and results because they don't lie. 1. Compared to GTP-4o, O1 got 89th percentile on Codeforce's coding challenges. 2. Expert level accuracy on biology, physics, and chemistry problems. 3. 83% results on USA Math Olympiad qualifying exams versus GTP-4o, which got merely 13%. These results are phenomenal, keeping in the performance of older AI models. If you want accurate results, it's worth the wait, isn't it? So, O1 takes its due time to process the command and it trades speed for deep reasoning. Don't expect lightning-fast response for the complex tasks that require careful analysis. Specialized knowledge always reigns supreme. That is why, unlike jack-of-all-trades GPT-4o that can handle file uploads, process images, and browse the web, O1 is a specialist in its own right and it comes with its own challenges. You must have heard that good things come to those who wait. The same is the case here with O1 models because it comes with its limitations and make us wait for the accurate results. Here is a good news for the developers because with O1 they will have a human-like AI working as assistant without going to sleep, having food, and yet is the encyclopedia of every programming language. It is at par with complex code structure and algorithm generation. For those who belong to the realm of mathematics and science, O1 is a trustworthy ally. This can handle physics complexities and chemical calculations with a higher level of accuracy. Alert legal experts, O1 is going to make your life easy by saving your precious time with its ability of analyzing complex documents and detecting minor differences. Who don't want to take help from the amazing AI tool that never misses a detail and performs the given tasks at Superman speed? In short, the pace with which AI is advancing, we can rightly predict that AI is going to become an integral part of modern man. The future of machine learning looks bright because it continues to evolve and not just performing mundane tasks, it plays its role in deep thinking and processing complex issues like human experts. O1 has ushered a new era of AI from mere pattern recognition to deep reasoning and problem-solving ability which was once exclusive to the human mind. OpenAI has opened new avenues in the field of mathematics, science, and coding. Here are some essential points that you need to keep in mind regarding OpenAI's O1. To begin with, O1 shows remarkable performance superiority over GPT-4o when it comes to tackling tasks that require complex reasoning abilities, especially in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics fields. In fact, O1 ranks in the 89th percentile on a variety of coding challenges, showcasing its advanced capabilities, while GPT-4o only reaches the 13th percentile. This significant difference highlights O1's specialized strength in analytical tasks and problem-solving scenarios. For individuals who are interested in utilizing AI for a wide array of general tasks, it is important to note that O1 is not the best choice. This specific model has been primarily designed for problem-solving and reasoning challenges, making it less suitable for general use cases. For tasks that involve web browsing, text generation, and image generation, earlier models such as GPT-4o are more suitable options, as they are well optimized for these particular functions and deliver competent performance across a broader spectrum of applications. If you are curious about the accessibility of O1 for the general public, it's important to understand its current status. As of now, access to O1, in addition to ChatGPT Plus and Team subscribers, is limited to a select group of users. However, OpenAI does have plans in motion to eventually make this new and advanced version widely accessible to the general public shortly, which is an exciting prospect for many users interested in harnessing the latest AI technology. When we delve into the primary shortcomings and limitations associated with O1 models, one notable issue is the amount of time they require to process data effectively. This slower processing speed can be attributed to the extensive reasoning processes that O1 undergoes. Additionally, O1 currently lacks the capability for image processing and web browsing, which are significant factors for a model expected to function in versatile roles. Furthermore, as O1 is still in its beta stage, it may come with a set of restricted functionalities that limit its effectiveness in certain scenarios. In comparing the O1 Mini to the O1 Preview, the distinctions become clear. The O1 Mini version is not only faster but also smaller in size, more cost-effective, and specifically optimized for functions related to STEM. Both of these AI counterparts perform similarly well on multiple fronts, however, their differences become evident in terms of their computational processes and overall efficiencies. This means that for users looking for a streamlined and efficient experience tailored towards STEM-oriented tasks, O1 Mini could be the preferable choice, while O1 Preview may offer more comprehensive capabilities despite its slower performance. Here comes the most intriguing question: that the way AI is replacing humans with the capability of deep reasoning. What would be the future like when machine would be performing complex issues, and what if the AI out-reason and outperform us and we become their hostage? Nobody knows for sure. In the end, O1 is not the end, rather it is a start of the new chapter in machine learning field which is thoughtful and promising than ever. This wraps up the video. I hope you must have enjoyed the video. Leave your comment and share your invaluable thoughts in the comment section. See you in next video.